wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So finally getting a little more settled in, getting into packages that I haven't opened yet, and realizing I done told y'all that I tried to tell brands I am moving, so please send packages to the correct place. They're still not. But I did finally get a package from Mercier that I'm assuming is like very, very old. It was just sent to the wrong place. But I'm finally gonna try their their powder in the new shades. So if you guys want to see more, let's go. I'm excited. I remember, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match for foundation today. I don't know why, I just saw it, felt like picking it up. I'm excited because I remember talking about these powders in one of those like Let's Talk new makeup videos, but then I forgot about it. Listen, I've had a lot going on the last few months. But yeah, there are another brands I definitely tried to say like, hey, I move, and you don't want to be too pushy about it because like they're sending you free stuff. But also like brands will stop sending you free stuff if they feel like you're not posting it. And I'm like, I can't post it if you're sending it to the wrong place, babes. And the thing is like, social media, PR departments, marketing, they will have very high turnovers. It's a stressful job, especially like if you're on a PR team, something like that, of like brands that stay in some type of controversy. So you have to say, like, it gets very stressful very quickly. So they have very high turnovers. So it's hard getting in contact or keeping contact with certain brands because like there's always a new person working there. Like you try to send an email and it bounces back because like that person doesn't work there anymore, and you're like, oh, okay. Mix it up a little bit with the Fenty and Gucci concealer. I'll be getting questions on what brushes these are. These are Morphe brushes, and I done told y'all it's hit or miss with some Morphe brushes. If they have the dark bristles, they're usually good. The white ones, the lighter bristle brushes, save you money. Okay, so y'all know I live for the Laura Mercier regular translucent in the shade Honey. Then they came out, was it last year? It might have been the year before that. They came out with the translucent Ultra Blur loose powder, and this is in the shade Translucent Honey. But recently, they came out with the Ultra Blur in a new shade Rose. Assuming this is more pinky shade. Y'all know pink shades have been on trend lately. It's looking like a rose gold. Let's see. I'm gonna open that up in a second, but it's like pinkish, but very, very light pink. Not the pink like a Huda or One Size Beauty, one of those. But let me read the description real quick. So this is the Ultra Blur Talc-Free Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Retails for $52. Comes in 4 regular sizes and then 4 mini sizes for 0.7 ounces in the regular size, and then oh, I'm not working. How much do you get in the mini? Child, they got a mini size. I don't see how much you get in the mini on Sephora's website, but it says it is a talc-free loose setting powder that is infused with hyaluronic acid for comfortable up to 16-hour wear and ultra blurring power. Coverage is light, finish is matte, formulation loose powder. This powder has a weightless texture, so skin looks and feels soft, smooth, and flawless. It is infused with ultra blurring ingredients like amino acid and silica powders to blur away the look of pores, fine lines, and imperfections with total shine absorption and 0 photo flashback. All right, so let's go, but I gotta pause real quick because I got something being delivered right now.
Oop, down the street. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, out of breath, but I'm back. So this is the rose shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and bake using this. Oh, okay. You have a cinnamon toast crunch smell to you. Very specific, but all right, y'all, so that is it for my face. It is 12:20, so I'm gonna go throughout the day, see how this holds up, especially in this heat. Also because I got some like furniture moving and stuff like that to do, so it's gonna be put to the test. I also think I might head to the gym before I wrap up this video. So yeah, go and test this out and see how it looks by the end of the day. So I'll be back. All right, y'all, so I'm about to head out to the gym, so I figured I would check in, show you what my face is looking like with the powder. I feel like we're getting to that point where like, that's what, was it this video I was talking about where I said, you know, when you get to that point where like makeup starts to settle in, I feel like that's where we're getting. It just, you know, it starts looking more skin like. When you first finish your makeup, it looks very powdery. So use a lot of powder. So this is what it looks like before I go to the gym. We're gonna see what it looks like when I get back from the gym. I didn't go early this morning just because I didn't feel like waking up, but I'm still gonna go, so you know, proud of me. Okay, y'all, so it is 6 p.m. and this is what my face looks like. Yeah, so this is what my face looks like after going to the gym. I feel like I'm starting to get a little oily around my nose area, but other than that, I did my makeup around, well, I finished somewhere around noon. 6 hours later, this is what my face looks like. If I had to pick, I'd still say honey in the regular translucent shade is like my all-time favorite when it comes to Laura Mercier powders. But this rose shade for this ultra blur, I feel like it did give like a blur, like smooth over finish. If I had to pick a shade in this ultra blur, I'm going with the rose because it does a little extra something to the face. I am here for this. I'm also here for this powder right now because it's been a minute since I've used the honey regular shade, but face in this heat, I went to the gym and I think I told you I was moving furniture earlier, and this is what my face looks like 6 hours later. This might be the summer powder. Yeah, me and her, we go together right now. We'll see how that goes, but those are my thoughts on this powder, and I hope this helps any of you thinking of checking this shade out for yourself. The original honey shade in this formula, the ultra blur, but this rose does what it needs to do. Go ahead, if you're gonna buy a rose, I mean, you get the other type of rose too, but this is a rose that you might want as well. So I hope seeing me test this out has helped you think of checking it out for yourself. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.